Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your Instagram Reels audio after you have uploaded it. So if you have uploaded a reel, so here you can see that in my profile I have uploaded this reel right here, and if I show you, it does contains music. And so for example, I want to change this music now after I have uploaded it. So unfortunately there is no direct method using which you can edit the song. So for example, if you try to click on these three dots and then click on the edit button, you can see that I cannot get any option whatsoever to edit the song which I have put in this reel. So what I can do in this situation is that since I have no other option left, what I can do is click here and then I can choose, I can delete this reel and re-upload it if I want, since that is the only possible way for you to get a desired song into your reel after you have uploaded it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.